Want to continue editing or publish a reel that you previously saved to your drafts on Instagram? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to find your draft reels on Instagram. Now let's get started. To find your drafted reels on Instagram, open the Instagram app and tap the plus sign at the bottom. Select Reel. Tap Drafts at the top. Each draft will show a thumbnail image and be labeled with the date and time it was saved, length of the video, and how large the file is. Tap a draft to open it. You'll then be able to continue editing it or go ahead with posting. If you just want to edit a bit more and save it back to your drafts, you can do that too. If you want to remove a saved draft, tap the three dots beside it. Tap Delete in the pop-up menu. Then tap Delete at the bottom to confirm. That's all it takes to find your saved drafts on Instagram. Want to learn more about using Instagram? Check out our beginner's guide next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.